Boom, how's it going? Hey, nice to talk to you. I've got a few PowerPoint slides I've prepared for you. As you can see right here from the first one, coming up on Tuesday, we have our Platinum 3-hour webinar workshop. That's right, a rare extended workshop for you over the web on how to recruit, hire, train, and manage a world-class real estate sales team for the new economy. Okay, super excited to bring this to you along with a great panel of all-stars, actually. So that's Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Pacific Time. This is How You Quantum Leap. In my experience, the number one piece of collateral produced by Craig Proctor is the T.E.A.M System. I call it the proverbial franchise. For example, have you ever seen a super successful business without employees? In fact, the more successful the business, the more employees it has. So, but one key point on it is they don't just have any sort of employee. Super successful businesses have great people and they have great processes, but great people absolutely will not tolerate sloppy processes. So great businesses, they're a collection of people and processes, great people and great processes. So by overwhelming demand, we're going to bring you this 3-hour advanced team workshop. And it doesn't matter whether you have 50 agents, administrative people on your team, or 0. You will benefit. There really is only one way to build a world-class business, and it's with getting and working with world-class people. So on this Platinum webinar, here's what you're going to learn, okay? First, the recruiting system for today's workforce, from Gen Xers to millennials to baby boomers, like who to target, when to target them, and how do you recruit them. Okay, next bullet point would be the interviewing and hiring system. And this will ensure that you get the right people on the bus and, equally as important, putting them in the right seats. Next bullet point, the training system. We call it ABT, always be training. Like when you bring people on, you've got to train them every day. So we're going to talk about exactly what to do every day, what to do weekly, what to do monthly, quarterly, and annually with your team. And more importantly, what not to do. Okay, the training system, again, ABT, always be training the great people that you bring on your team to raise the lid, especially on their skills and leadership abilities. Next, the managing system. So you're familiar with delegation, and I think you're familiar with abdication. Okay, there is delegation and abdication that goes on in businesses. Delegation better, abdication not so great, right? There's also babysitting and micromanaging. Now, my favorite, as you can see here, is empowering and inspiring others to do great work. And given the opportunity, most people will produce work if you've brought on the right people, in this case, world-class people, okay? So look, the number one mistake agents make when they hire people is they hire fast. Simply plugging the holes is not the same as planning the future. So we're going to slow the process down, and you're going to build this business with great people, and they will help you implement everything that you've got on your plate right now that you want to get implemented, but you're not able to. Other people will help you implement that. So the return on the investment, if you bring in right people, is amazingly fast and amazingly big, okay? So if you've got big goals, you got big hopes and dreams, on this webinar, you will discover how to achieve them much faster and with greater certainty. Okay? Awesome. How to recruit, hire, train, and manage a world-class team for the new economy. A Platinum 3-hour webinar workshop on Tuesday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Pacific Time. Are you ready? I sure am. So looking forward to working with you then. And until then, go serve big.